This is 50 rands. If you can finish like the Sprite, you will get this 50 rands. Yes. So we are here with ini igama lakho.
Igama lami nguSiphamandla. Anqumalo.
So uSiphamandla okanqumalo ke lo uSiphamandla uzozama iSprite yabona nje manje ya. Uyawazi vele ama rules mina siphuze sonke angaphuzi yabo. Straight and straight uzothola le 5 tiger. So ready nje asiye ke. Oh shit. Kwenzakaleni dog? What happened?
Isiwile ngidonse ngamandla.
Yeah,
ngimele ngizilethe.
Yeah, amara Sprite was straight. Okay. Amandla athi akulathi silungile ukuthi ufailile but then abosomka at least ichoke yabe at least uzamile yabo. Siyabonga ne ube great ngabi. Next time. It's fine. Sure, okay, this is round 2. We are here with
What?
My name is Chiliti.
So you already know the rules, ne? Yeah. Open the thing, don't spill anything. Singabuyi. Shaya kahle. Asikhani. Don't pause, ne? When mama pause, ungathi bese uyapause.
Yeah.
You must constantly drink.
Okay.
Everything.
Nande yane?
That was a new strategy. You saw that strategy?
That was a nice strategy.
He tried.
Let me see.
He tried.
Who? No. 10%.
I told you he tried.
Almost. How are you feeling? Pay attention. I can see the eyes are red. Bambile, man. Amara tough, man. Nice one. Nice one. Sokuzama nge-20 yabo. For trying, yeah. You tried, guys. Check. Abantu saluqedele.
Bathethe sakho bhala lesintweni.
Chance. Nibe grand le. Uphuza amanzi.
Ntwana bamba naye ngi 10 rand mfana bosowuqedile ba. Hayi bosowuqedile mfana hayi uzamile dog.
Yeah, that was a teach one. New technique.
Hey, that was a
the technique inside.
We are here with
Omphile.
so umphiki uyawazi ama rules ngiqede le Sprite lesangaphozanga 50 rand le yakhe. Yeah, sure. Maso ready ungitshela.
Okay.
Khumbula ngithi usakungelanga pause.
Yeah, I can try.
Siye.
Yo, nice one. What's that? Yo, nice one, boy. Nale lakho ntona yami, nice one. Yiso ke spirit sesifunakalayo ke lesi. Yo. Everything.
I saw ngithi yabo like guys. Okay, yazi ntwana so if nje advice ongayipha umuntu ongafuna ukuzama nje Sprite.
Afuna ukuzama lento le.
Yeah.
Yazimela yenzini. Kuyabona ama utshwentshinte efrijini ebusuku. Yeah, uyishayeka ka. Uyijwayeza kanjalo.
Okay, atara congrats there. Okay, like as promised, yabo naye ngi 5 tiger nje. Bhekani. Ngizofuna ukuyibala noma sebonile. Yeah. Phila kanjani ntwana? Phila abantu abaningi. Ngicaba kwabashuleka abantu abaningi. Yo. Wena umuntu wesingaki? Sengisho like Fandago esimenzini. Bonke bahlulekile laba bathi. So shithi awuntsoyi. Untwani untsoyimbo. Una Instagram handle khona nizomfollowa. Uye Omphile Sikhosana. Omphile Sikhosana. Akunama underscore.
Hayi, Omphile Sikhosana straight.
Ke ayini mfollow wendo ngitsa lo untsoyimbo. Sure nento ube great.
When we went to Tembisa, guys, we didn't think we'd have this much fun. Our goal was to do Sprite Challenge, but then we ended up making friends, ended up enjoying. That's it, guys. Get out of your comfort zone. You'll end up learning a few things about yourself.
That's it, guys. Get out of your comfort zone.